the central government says that privatization is very important to set off the bad loans and to make the banks profitable. So, what's your take?
This is the biggest joke of the year because banks are suffering from bad loan. But who are the contributors of bad loan? Who are responsible for the bad loan? Only the private companies. All private companies have taken crores of bank loan and they are not returning. They are not repaying. We are writing off the loan, so we are incurring losses. Now it is a joke to say that banks will be given to private sector to solve this problem. It is totally wrong. We must take stringent action on them. We are telling you, publish the names, take action on them. At least take criminal action on the willful defaulter. Nirav Modi is a willful defaulter. Kingfisher Malaya is a willful defaulter. Jatin Mehta is a willful defaulter. Because deliberately they are cheating. Even that action you are not taking. And now you want to say that you privatize the bank to save the bank from bad loans. They are the culprits. So I want to hand over the bank to the same culprits. It's irony.
That they're saying that this will help infusion crores of infusion into the bank, capital infusion. So since the government is not able to recapitalize bank, the private sector will pour money into the banking sector and will increase the services.
See, what do you mean by service? Government banks are giving service to the poor people, common people. They are the majority. For rich people, for the best high net worth individuals, there are many private banks. So we need not worry about them. Now, government banks are meant for common people. They are talking of capital. Now, 7, 8 lakh crores of loans are bad loans. If you recover it, then that money will be directly, because that money has been provided. So directly it will go to the capital. The banks need only 2, 3 lakhs crores of money, whereas bad loan is 7, 8 lakhs. You recover the money, matter is over. Government need not spend a single paise. All these years when bad loans were less, we were contributing for the government checker, exchequer by dividend. So this is not an argument that I cannot give from government. Who will give? Suppose these banks are the children of the government. If a mother is not taking care of the child when the child is sick, I don't know. It's a draconian mother. It's a demon mother. Mother should take of the child when it is in difficulty. And difficulty is not because of the child. Somebody has come and created a problem for the bank. And you want to privatize and give the same bank to them. And in banking, the capital requirement is very less. We need 10 rupees to give 100 rupees loan. So if government will give 10 rupees, I can give 100 rupees loan. So the economy will be benefited. You are talking of GDP, economic growth, and $5 trillion economy, all these things. That is possible by banks. If private people will be given this bank, they will bring some capital, but they will give loan to their own people. They will not give agriculture. They will not give for employment generation. They will not give for poverty reduction. They will not give for rural development. They will not give for women empowerment, education, health, infrastructure, import, export. Only banks, government banks can do. So find out the method how to capitalize the government banks, but this is not the way.
So some critics say that the government bank the government bank service is very outdated. Some employees are very lethargic. The internet service, internet banking facilities is not good. The customer response is not good in government banks compared to the private banks. So, what do you say on that?
See, this is also propaganda. Just recently, few weeks ago, Reserve Bank of India, they have published their trend and progress report. Kindly go through that. You will find the number of per branch complaint from the customer is much higher in private bank, especially in the new generation private bank like Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, than the government banks. Foreign banks and the new private bank, they are only facing more customer complaint. You can't talk to anybody in these new private banks directly on phone. Simply some recorded message is coming, so people are not happy. There are problems in the government bank because we don't have adequate people. Many things are being given on contract. Many people are being employed without proper training. So we are ready to talk. We want to give the best of services to the people. Very wrong to say government employees are lethargic, government bank employees are lethargic. We have inadequate staff. In technology, we are equal to them. We can compete with any of the top class bank in the world in terms of technology. But the point is, our technology is to be, spread to all types of people. So the recipient's technology level is also important. I give some latest technology, but whether a rural customer can use it. Whereas for the new private bank, they are dealing with highly educated, highly literate, highly techno-savvy customers. So their level is different. Here, my technology has to be all in pervasive. It has to cater to all types of people. A villager who still does not know how to keep the money in the wallet, he is simply folding it in his dhoti. So technology also has to be understood. Service to society. Opening rural branch is the biggest service of the public sector banks. Why that service cannot be given by private bank? Let them open rural branches. They will not open. So it is not comparable. Public sector banks have their own niche. They don't. They have their own areas of serving the people. They are doing.
Sir, what is the next step of the United Bank Employees Forum? So, how do you plan to take on the protest to the next level?
See, today is just a token to show our protest. We have done it. It has been very successful, and government must have seen that. Already now, most of the political parties have expressed their support. All the trade unions are supporting. These farmers are supporting. People are supporting. Customers are supporting. So it's a warning signal. So if the government, if they review, I am ready to have a dialogue with the government. If your intention is to make the public sector banks more efficient, more people oriented, and more efficient and more profit making, everything we are ready. We are ready to cooperate. We can talk to the government. We are ready. But if they say we don't want to talk, our intention is to privatize the bank and give it to private people, then we will be loggerheads. We will be expanding. Number one, we will further campaign amongst the people and get their support, and we will further have more agitation and confrontation. We are not for confrontation with the government. They are a democratically elected government and they are working for the people. But if you do anything which is not in the interest of the people, it is our duty to come in the field and oppose it. But we would like to avoid, we would like to work in cooperation with the government of India in a confrontation. But if they confront, then we have to confront, more strikes will happen.